morning. It is Thursday, I think. I don't even know. But let's make some iced coffee. So last night I went to Walmart. Because of my last video yesterday, I think. I got a bunch of freaking creamers. So I got the freaking iced double espresso things. So I'm going to try it out. So let's see. So we're currently on day 30 of potty training. Let's see how it goes. So like I did my research and I got like the training underwear. So we're gonna see if that works, but it's going. But no, so today we're gonna use Harry Potter Butterbeer creamer. So let me get that opened up. My coffee is brewing. That's good. I always get thrown off sometimes with the espressos because I don't read the size of it. So I'm gonna put that. What? If you always hear stuff, it's my cat. She's crying. Got some ice. And then I got the cold foam of butterbeer, so we're gonna try it out. I didn't mix it. Pretty good. I always thought the cold foam was supposed to be like liquidier. Pretty good. I like it. We'll give it like a 7 out of 10 for the Harry Potter Butterbeer creamer.